Welcome to Designing and Fabrication. আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম ওয়েল্ডাৰ MCQ 36 নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চনৰ পৰা। যদি আপুনি আগৰ কোৱেশ্চনখিনি চোৱা নাই তেনেহলে প্লেলিষ্টত গৈ আগৰ গোটেইখিনি কোৱেশ্চন চাই ল'ব পাৰে। 36 নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো কোৱা হৈছে What is the name of the part marked X in gas metal arc welding wire feed unit? এই X পাৰ্টটো যেটো ডেনোট কৰা হৈছে এই পাৰ্টটোৰ নাম কি? গিয়াৰ বক্স, wire feed roller, center guide or ideal gear. So ইয়াৰ correct answer to hobo wire feed roller B. Next 37 number question to goise which angle of presetting is to compensate the distortion on horizontal single V butt joint metal thickness 10 mm and root gap 2 mm. Single V butt joint metal thickness to jodi 10 mm thake aru root gap 2 mm dia hoise ami kiman degree angle set koribo lebo distortion to control koribole. Normally amak 180 degree angle lage flat position kintu distortion karone 2 to 3 degree angle contract hobo. So ami 183 degree ami set koram karon 183 degree set korile tetia jeta distortion karone contract hobo 2 to 3 degree tetia properly 180 degree automatic set hoy jabo. So yar uddhottor to hobo option D. 38 number question to goise how many types of the basic welding position in gas metal arc welding? Gas metal arc welding ot kimanta basic welding positions ase? Normally 4 types hobo flat position, horizontal position, vertical position and overhead position. So yat correct answer hobo C. 39 number question to goise which is the weld position of gas metal arc welding if the weld is deposited underside of the job to jodi bhitor phale metal deposit hoy tene hole etu kuntu position hobo gas metal arc welding or a position to hobo overhead position karon overhead position koile ami jodi tolor pora ami welding to koru tetia he metal to bhitor phale ahibo bhitor phale deposit hobo so etu hobo C. 40 number question to goise what type of the joints are made by the groove welds in gas metal arc welding? Butt weld, T-weld, corner weld, lap weld. Yat T-weld, corner weld aru lap weld ei tiniuta hoise fillet welding ba fillet joint. Ekmatro butt weld tu hoise groove joint. So etu groove weld ot ahibo A. 41 what is the angle marked X in the fillet weld shown? Angle to jeto shown korise etu hodise ki hoy etu direction of travel hobo. Angle to actually 10 to 15 degree set kora hoy ba 10 to 20 degree angle to base metal weld metal T joint and direction of travel. So a angle to set kora hoy in terms of direction of travel. So option D is the correct answer. 42 question to goise which shielding gas is used in MIG welding metal inert gas welding? So inert gas koar loge loge yat ekmatro inert gas bilage ahibo jikhini hoise argon helium aru yat option A to kol ase argon. So yar correct answer to hobo A aru baki argon plus carbon dioxide, argon plus oxygen, argon plus hydrogen hebur use kora hoy jodiu hekhini ko hobo mag welding metal active gas welding. So yat uddhottor to hobo A. 43 question to goise which type of the weld is developed electro slag welding? Electro slag welding on keneko type of weld develop kora hoy gas welding, resistance welding, submerged arc welding, shield metal arc welding. Actually electro slag welding to submerged arc welding or dore weld develop hoy jot arc form no arc to weld pool or majot thake jeto flux thake flux or bhitorot arc to form hoy. So yar correct answer hobo C. 44 question to goise how many types of the metal transfer in gas metal arc welding carbon dioxide welding process? At gas metal arc welding ore anata naam hoise carbon dioxide welding. Kenoko type of metal transfer thake normally site type of metal transfer thake eta hoise deep transfer ba short circuiting transfer, spray transfer, globular transfer aru hoise pulse spray transfer. So yat correct answer hobo D. 45 question to goise what is the part marked as X in gas metal arc welding wire feed unit? এই X part to jeto mark kora hoise etu naam ki etu hobo gear box, ideal gear, wire feed roller, input, guide assembly. So yar correct answer to hobo ideal gear. What is the name of the X in the gas metal arc welding principle of the carbon dioxide welding? X portion to naam ki electrode wire contact tip nozzle carbon dioxide gas. So yat correct answer to hobo contact tip B. 47 question to question, what is the ability of metal to cut the another metal? Metalor jitu ability thake je eta metal anta metal katibo pare he ability to naam ki etu hoise hardness C. 48 number question to question, what ampere range is required for setting 1.2 mm filler wire for the welding of mild steel in MIG-MAG welding? So 1.2 mm jodi filler wire thake tar current range to kiman hobo? To yar huddor to hobo 100 to 225 ampere. Normally MIG-MAG welding ot 0.8 mm or thake 60 to 160 ampere aru tar pisote 1.2 mm ahe. 1.2 mm filler wire karone your current range 100 to 225 ampere D. 49 number question to question, what is the temperature is produced by chemical reaction in thermite welding? 5000 degree Celsius, 5000 degree Fahrenheit, 4000 degree Celsius or 4000 degree Fahrenheit. So here correct answer to hobo B, 5000 degree Fahrenheit. Normally in Celsius or 1200 degree Celsius to 3000 degree Celsius hota hai. So here range to 500 degree Fahrenheit hota ahibo. So here uddor to hobo B. 50 question to question, which type of the welding is used to make a joint of thick pipe of rails? Akot pipe rails ami connect koribole joint koribole ami kuntu welding use koru etu to correct answer hobo thermite welding, pressure thermite welding aru fusion thermite welding. So yat jetu correct answer to hoise hetu hoise pressure thermite welding. কিন্তু ইয়াত প্ৰেছাৰ থাৰ্মিট ৱেল্ডিঙৰ দুটা অপশ্যন আছে সো ইয়াত বিউ হ'ব সিউ হ'ব 51 question 2 হৈছে where is electron beam is generated, control and accelerated? Electron beam to ক'ত generate কৰা হয়, control আৰু accelerate হয়? Atmosphere, electron gun or vacuum chamber? So ইয়াৰ correct answer to হ'ব D, vacuum chamber. What is the source of heat to melt the workpiece in an electron beam welding? 52 question to কৈছে যে যেটো ইলেক্ট্ৰন বিম ওয়েল্ডিংৰ যেটো সোর্স অফ হিট হয় যেটো তাপৰ যেটো মেইন উৎস হে উৎসটো কোপৰা আহে by heat speed of by high speed of electrons, by beam heat or by current. So ইয়াত correct answer হ'ব by high speed electrons or পৰা heat form হয়. So that correct answer to B. 53 question to was which welding process is granulated flux is feed through the hopper to the welding spot? Welding spot of granulated flux kundu welding of use kora hoy. Correct answer hobo submerged arc welding D. 54 question to question, what are the positions used in submerged arc welding? Submerged arc welding ekmatro flat position ote weld koribo pare. So yat correct answer hobo A. Horizontal position to pore kintu horizontal flat position ot hoy, but mainly submerged arc welding ekmatro flat position ote weld koribo pare. 55 question to question, which type of the welds are often used to assist the assembly or to maintain the edge alignment is during the welding? So your options hoise root run weld, level weld, tack weld or stringer beds. Yet question to koise the kenuka dhoroner weld ami normally use koru assembly to in a single alignment eta proper position ot jate thake hetu karone ami normally tack welding use koru. So correct answer hobo C. 56 question to koise what is the usual torch angle tilt on either side of vertical in gas metal arc welding? Vertical jeti ami welding koru gas metal arc welding tete angular degree to kiman thake to normally 10 to 20 degrees thake. 57 question to question, what defect occur to weld joint if it is provided with insufficient heat input? Lack of fusion, lack of penetration, lack of metal deposit or uneven bead deposit? Here huddor to hobo lack of penetration. Proper heat na thake তেতিয়া penetration properly নহব. 58 question to কৈছে what is the solution now if burn back occurs due to the irregular wire feeding in gas metal arc welding process. Cut out the kink wire, replace of spool, cut the kink wire and replace spool and adjust the to kink wire again. So ইয়াত শুদ্ধটো হ'ব cut the kink wire and replace the spool. Kink শব্দটোৰ অৰ্থ হৈছে যে নৰ্মেলি যেটো গেছ মেটাল আৰ্ক ৱেল্ডিঙত ফিলা ৱায়াৰ থাকে সেই ৱায়াৰডালৰ দুটা ৰোলাৰ থাকে এটা হৈছে স্পীড ৰোলাৰ এটা প্ৰেছাৰ ৰোলাৰ আৰু এটা হৈছে ড্ৰাইভাৰ ৰোলাৰ সো এই ৱায়াৰডাল যদি ষ্ট্ৰেট নাথাকে বেণ্ড হৈ যায় আপ বা ডাউন হৈ যায় তেতিয়ালে সেই ডিফেক্টটো কিংকিং ডিফেক্ট বুলি কোৱা হয় তো তেনেকুৱা ডিফেক্ট হ'লে কেতিয়াও ৱেল্ড ইউনিফৰ্ম নহ'ব সেইটো কাৰণে আমি সেই ডিফেক্টটোৰ কাৰণে আমি তেনেকুৱা গোটেই হোল ৰোলটোকে আমি চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগে 59 কুৱেশ্যনটো কৈছে which metal surfacing method is ideal for thin layers that can flow to corner and edges of the job? TIG welding, MIG welding, oxyacetylene welding or submerged arc welding. The correct answer to C, oxyacetylene welding. Because thin job, patla metal, sheet metal block weld kobile normally আমি oxyacetylene welding to use kora hoy aru surfacing purpose to use hoy 60 question to koise which type of the core wire is suitable for welding of carbon steel, alloy steel and stainless steel under flux core arc welding? Flux core electrode, gas shield flux wire. Use of flux core and gas shielded flux is external and shielded. So the correct answer to A. Flux core arc welding normally flux core electrode lage aru flux core arc welding on electrode to hoda tubular hoy aru bhitorot flux thake electrode or bhitorot flux thake. What is the distinct difference between the gas metal arc welding and flux core arc welding equipment? So gas metal arc welding and flux core arc welding er majot jetu difference thake etu mainly je gas metal arc welding to solid wire thake but flux core arc welding to tubular wire thake aru your nozzle torch construction of the torch and feed rollers machine and torch feed rolls and gas cylinders. So yar uddhoto hobo B. Construction of the torch and feed rollers duita different thake 62 question to question what is the name of the metal transfer system in flux core arc welding? So it over free flight transfer but normally flux core arc welding on duta metal transfer hoy eta is a large droplet transfer or small droplet transfer so yat to hey option ta nai so yat to hobo free flight transfer 63 question to is why the argon and carbon dioxide mixture is used in flux core arc welding? Smooth spray transfer with a minimum slag, smooth globular transfer, smooth pulse transfer and smooth dip transfer. Yat uddhoto hobo smooth spray transfer with a minimum slag. A. Globular transfer to eta type hoy but normally globular transfer to use bahut rarely kora hoy karon globular transfer spatter loss is more. 64 question to koise why the different type of the pressure rollers are used in flux core arc welding? Flux core arc welding ot kenokwa dhৰণৰ pressure roller use kora hoy null rollers without roller of the travel wire with pressure of tubular wire aru without positive feeding without pressure on tubular wire. So the correct answer to D, positive feeding without pressure on tubular wire. Karon ami flux core arc welding or jetu wire thake to tubular wire thake etu fupula thake wire to so tat jodi pressure diye to wire to bend howar chance beshi hoy jay so tat kono pressure dia no hoy. 65 question to question which type of the welding is under flux core arc welding is more suitable for welding all types of steel? Only use the flux core electrode, only use gas shielded flux, only use gas shielded flux and flux is external and also gas also external. So 65 question or answer to hobo only use gas shielded flux. So etu BC duita ase duita uddottor hobo karon ami normally jikhini steel types thake hini ami gas shielded flux use koruse diar duta bhag ase eta ase self shielded eta gas shielded tar bhitorot jitu flux thake hetuwe shielding form kore aru gas shielded bhitorot thoka flux to shielding form kore plus externally gas cylinder use kora hoy jitu aru extra shielding gas form kore jar pholot defect form nohoy 66 question to কৈছে what type of the hand tool is used to open a gas cylinder in welding practice? X key, LM key, D spanner, spindle key. तो याद correct answer to होगा spindle key. 67 question to होगा why the welder's cloth should be free from the oil, grease, etc. while welding? To protect the job, to deflect the arc rays, to avoid the catching fire, to safeguard your inert cloth. तो याद correct answer to होगा to avoid the catching fire. C. 68 question to question which electrode wire is more suitable for carbon steel fabrication in gas metal arc welding? Normally gas metal arc welding for carbon steel fabrication ami 70S6 electrode wire to use koru. 70 hoise 70 into 1000 psi tensile strength as per solid aru 6 hoise tar jitu composition. 70S6 electrode wire to use kora normally gas metal arc welding carbon steel fabrication. তো ফ্ৰেন্ডছ আজিলে ইমানেই বাকিখিনি কুৱেশ্যন আমি নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত আমি আপলোড কৰিম তো লাইক কৰিব শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু যিমানখিনি আগৰ ভিডিঅ' আছে সেইখিনি প্লেলিষ্টত পাই থাকিব সেইবোৰ চাই থাকিব ধন্যবাদ